Hi everyone. I wanted to bring you a body awareness tip today. Sometimes our bodies can be really loud when they're trying to communicate. We can have some severe pain and discomfort. Other times, and most of the time, our bodies are going to communicate to us in softer ways and quiet, subtle things. So this that I wanted to tell you about today is something to take notice of or take note of when you get up in the morning. Before you get out of bed, I want you to see if both of your hands are placed on the same part of your body. It can be anywhere. It could be your stomach. It could be lower on your abdomen. It could be over your heart. It could be up on your lungs, anywhere. That could be your body trying to tell you that it needs attention to that specific area. And I will say it holds true because I have found myself doing that with my hands. And then I'll wake up and using muscle response testing, I will see if that area of my body needs some attention, needs some extra support, maybe nutritional support, and sure enough, it does. So I do want you guys to know it does hold true. Your body is trying to communicate with you. So if you do wake up, find your hands on a certain body part for, not just even one day, but if you find it consecutive days, it may be something for you to get checked out. And we're always here. Just call and make an appointment and we can see if it is your body asking for more TLC.